Hello guys, there are several opportunities we usually have around the trading platform that we can easily grab. Okay, some of these opportunities are so important that we shouldn't think of missing them. Okay, we shouldn't be too busy to miss out on them. Okay, so all these are very important. That is why I tagged today's video, do not miss this opportunity when trading boom and crash. There is a particular one, okay, there is a particular one that I'm going to be revealing in this video that is very important for you to take note of whenever you are trading boom and crash. If you can grab this opportunity each time you are trading boom and crash, then definitely, or whatever asset you are trading, definitely you will be able to make consistent profit whenever you are trading. Okay, even if this is the only thing you will be looking out for whenever you are trading, you will definitely be making money every day. It is very essential. It is a vital part of trading. Okay, once you are able to achieve this, then you are good to go. But before I go fully into this, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, this is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some money online, most especially within the Forex niche. Okay, all you just need to do is just to take your time to browse through my channel, watch some of my videos. I've got lots and lots of training videos here that can get you started immediately. Just make sure you watch them, understand, practice, and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. This is very important. Okay, the Forex niche is a very sensitive area. Okay, so you need to be very careful. You need to understand what you are doing before you go into it. Okay, that is why I always advise you to practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. That is very essential whenever you are trading um Forex. Okay, so apart from this, if you love my videos, kind of give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And of course, if you have any question about any of my videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategies, or maybe you would like to know more about any of my trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And quickly, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, then you are missing a lot, because I usually dish out training videos like this every day. Then also later on in the day, I usually go live and direct to do some analysis on the market. So we do that together, and also we see how we can milk the market together. I tag that $500 per day trading tips for trading boom and crash, so you won't want to miss out on that. Okay, so if you are not a subscriber, you won't be notified. Okay, so all you just need to do is just to make sure you subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell beside it to all notification. That way you always be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, so quickly we'll be going into what we have for today. Okay, so we quickly go to the Jamboard and do some explanation before we go fully into the chart. Okay, quickly, let me quickly say this: there are some things, truly there are some things that you should look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, sometimes you don't need to do the whole of the analysis whenever you are trading, or you don't need to bother yourself with everything on the chart whenever you are trading. You might just be looking for only one thing that will put you in profit throughout the day. Okay, and that one thing, whatever I'm going to be discussing in this video, is also part of the one thing that can help you to milk the market successfully. And what am I going to be discussing today? Okay, there is one thing that is very paramount, very important in order for you to trade successfully. Okay, and that thing is called the trend. Okay, once you are able to identify the trend, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Okay, that is um like you knowing the direction of the market. Okay, once you know the direction of the market, then there is nothing you can't do again within the platform. So because you already know what to look out for whenever you are trading. Okay, but if you cannot identify this, then you will be having a lot of issues whenever you are trading, because it will look as if you are just gambling within the platform without knowing where you are heading to or where you are coming from. Okay, so that is it. So in most cases, if you don't understand this, then it's you will just be looking at the chart in a blank way. Okay, just the way I'm drawing on the board right now. We have this very very important. Once you know this, you know that for boom, the main movement for boom is a downward movement. Okay, while for crash is an upward movement. But of course, not that there are no other movement there. Okay, there is this sudden spike that happened which leads to upward movement in boom, and the one that happens which will lead to downward movement in crash. Okay, all these are very very important. There are times when you will have more of these than more of this in boom. Okay, and there are times when you have more of this than more of this in crash, and there are times when you have more of the spikes than more of this in boom, and more of this in crash, and than more of this in crash also. Okay, so there are times when you have them. So once you know when all these are happening, then you will be able to trade the market successfully. Okay, when are we I mean, what are the things that determine this? Okay, that is the trend. Okay, the trend will actually let you know what is going to happen around there. For boom, once the market is going down, then you see lesser um you experience spikes. I mean, lesser amount of spikes happen around there. Okay, but when the market is going up, then you have more spikes around here. For crash, when the market is down, you experience more spikes around there than when the market is up. Okay, so once you understand this, then you will be able to trade these assets successfully. So guys, let's go straight to the chart to check out some of these things. Okay, okay, before we come to the chart, I would like to let you know that you need to understand, you will need to be able to identify how the trend, I mean, to identify the exact trend each of these assets are before, I mean, each of these assets is before you start trading. Okay, so if you cannot identify their exact trend, then you will find it difficult to trade successfully. For instance, probably you are not good at trading spikes, and you want to trade the normal trend. Okay, but meanwhile, when you go to the market was on uptrend, so you just notice that each time you go into the market, it keeps on spiking and spiking and spiking. Or probably you want to try to trade the drop down candles in crash, which are the spikes in crash. Okay, you want to trade them. Okay, so and you are in the markets when the market is on uptrend. Okay, so definitely you placed your order and it keeps on going up and up without spiking, and for once in a while it spiked. This is your entry point, guys. It spiked, went up again, spiked, went up again, spiked, went up again, and spiked. You can see where your entry point is, so this will leave you hanging for a very long time. And the reason why this is happening is because you are in a wrong trend. Okay, you came in a wrong trend, so you need to be able to identify this in order for you to trade successfully. Okay, so let's go straight into the chart in order for us to see how we can take advantage of this. Okay, this is boom 500, guys. You can see this trend. Okay, you can see the trend. It started from here. It is an uptrend. I'm using the QDC scraper indicator. Okay, it comes with the trend and every other thing on the charts. You can see it right here. This is the trend. It started when this red came to an end, and it started with the green bars. Okay, so that is when this trend started. And if you check the main chart, there is a green bar, a bright green bar here. Okay, and on it we have our buy signal on it. Okay, that is when the uptrend started. And if you should notice, we have more spikes within this region than when it was on downtrend. Okay, so that is why it is always important you know the exact trend before you go into it. Okay, you can see the trend started from here and it went up until it got to this resistance zone. So the trend came to an end right on this resistance zone. Okay, it came to an end there and it has started a downtrend. Okay, so that is why I said it is always important you understand the trend. If you cannot do your, if you are not good with your technical analysis, you will be finding this very, very difficult to do. So that is why some of these custom made indicators are there to help you to achieve this, to analyze the market easily. Okay, I'm not saying they are 100% perfect also. Okay, but of course, if you can have an indicator that is about 70% perfect, then you are good to go. Okay, so that is why I always advise you to practice very well with whatever trading tools you are using, just for you to know the way it works before you jump into it. Okay, so that is very, very important. You can see that when the downtrend started, we don't really have much of the spikes happening around there. We have more of the normal candle formation, candle formation for boom. Okay, so let's check out our crash 500 also, so that we will be able to see this. Okay, you can see this, the same thing happened here. This is where the downtrend started from. It started from here, and check it out. Check out the crashes that happened between this resistance zone to this. That was massive, guys. That was massive. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Wow, this is just this happened continuously. Okay, this happened continuously. That is about 20 candles, 20 crash down candles. Okay, so that was massive, guys. This is another one. Check out this from here to this region. Check it out. This is 23 candles again. Okay, because the market is in support, or the trend is in support of the market. Okay, the trend was in support of the market. That was why we are having more of the spikes happening around there. Okay, so that is how it works, guys. That is how it works. It ended right here and it started an uptrend, and if you check, we have lesser amount of spikes happening around here, except when there is a major pullback. Okay, so that is it. It is very, very easy. Okay, all you need, that is why I said this is very, very important. In short, if this is the only thing you know, then definitely you are good to go. If you can identify the trend, then you don't have any other issue again. Once you are in the right trend, even if the market is going against you, all you just need to do is just to go back to bed and sleep. Okay, the reason is it will definitely end up in profits. Okay, it won't wipe off your account away. It can take a few hours, but it will get you to your take profit, guys. It will get you to your take profit. So far you use a reasonable lot size, and you use the lot size that your trading capital can control, then you are good to go. So that is the way it works. And whenever the trend changes from downtrend to uptrend, the same thing is applicable. You can see that it keeps on going up right from this support region to this level. This is the resistance zone. We've got so many resistance zones around here. That is why it has not been able to break it, which led to a major pullback. And of course, there is a major support region here, and there is another one below it again, which is very, very strong. So definitely it is still going to go back up, and we try to break out from these two resistance levels, and even try to break out from these, because this time around it is going back with full force, and it is trying to end the uptrend at that point. Okay, and I believe it should end it on this resistance level. Okay, so that is just the way it works, guys. That is just the way it works. We can check more assets just for us to see more things about them. Okay, check out this also. It started the downtrend right from here. It started it right from here. You can see that this is crash 1000. You can see the spikes that were happening around here. Okay, you can see there are more spikes here. Okay, can you imagine you coming in right here and it started spiking and spiking and spiking till it got to this level. You will have been in a lot of profit, guys. You would have been in a lot of profit. Okay, it is very easy to do with this. This is where you should close your trade. Okay, so it is an amazing opportunity for you to take advantage of. Okay, so far you know what the trend is. Okay, then you are good to go. And if you are having an indicator that will even give you the entry point and exit point signal, and also the same indicator will show you your trend, then you are good to go. Okay, that is why I love this QDC um scraper indicator. Okay, the reason is, okay, this is showing us the trend, and it is giving us the signal for the trend right before it starts going into it. Okay, so right here I already know that it will be going on downtrend, so all I need to wait for is the signal on the main chart. Okay, a sell signal on the main chart, because I want to use a signal. I want to follow a signal that supports the trend. Okay, so I will just come in here and put my trade there, and it trades down to this level. The same thing is applicable here. It shows me an uptrend signal here. All I need to do is to wait for a buy signal on the main chart. Okay, I come in here and I trade to this level, and if I want to close it, I can close it. But if I want to wait till the end of the trend, then I can easily wait till the end of the trend, even though the market or the bit ranging around here. But definitely I can still wait till the end of the trend, because I'm very sure it will still get to this resistance zone before the trend will come to an end. Okay, so that is just the way it works. Check out this boom 1000. Let's check out this boom 1000. Also, you can see the trend started right from here. The trend started right from this support zone, this support region. Okay, it started from there and it has been going up. Check out the multiple spikes which we have between this region to this region, guys. Check out these two. It might look like small spikes. Of course, this is 5 minute time frame, so but you can check it out from year to year. Check out the multiple spikes that happen around there. Okay, and check it out, it keeps on spiking. More of this spiking, I mean, more of the spikes than the normal trend. Okay, we got more of the spikes than the normal trend around here, because the trend of this, I mean, the trend of the market as at then was on uptrend. Okay, that is why we got more spikes around there, and this is boom. Definitely, if you should understand what I explained to you on the Jamboard, then you should know that when boom is on uptrend, we experience more of the spikes than the normal trading candles. Okay, you can see that we got more spikes around here, and it came to an end right here. It just came to an end anyway, but it will take some time before it will fully go into downtrend. The reason is it's coming up, I mean, it's just coming from a very strong uptrend. Okay, it will take some time to break out from so many support region in order for it to grow into downtrend successfully. Okay, so if there is anything that you must know, how I mean, you must learn how to identify, you must know how to identify, then it should be the trend. Okay, once you are able to identify the trend, then guy, you are good to go. You can learn how to identify using any other trading. It's not compulsory you use this. Okay, you can use the normal MT5 trading tools if that is what you are good at. If that will give you the exact results you are looking for, then you can use it. If you are good with your technical analysis, then you must perfect that aspect of you knowing the trend. Once you are able to identify the trend, then you are good to go, because with the trend you will be able to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, and of course you know that your entry point and your exit point are also based on your support and resistance level. So all these work together in order for you to achieve a successful trading journey. Okay, so that is just the way it works. So guys, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. If you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And of course, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God